Welcome back to my new video. My dear technician, this phone was revealed to me all the way from Enugu to my place here in Idoran. My dear technician, this is the second phone. If you can remember, I posted 3 phones. So the first phone I repaired and this is the second phone. My dear technician, if you can remember, I showed you guys that this resistor here was shift. My dear technician, when I checked the play, I discovered that it is capacitor. Okay, so I take my time to arrange it. I don't know what really happens, and they shifted it maybe during the time that they wanted to remove the heat sink. Okay, so I take my time and I hit up to rearrange it. My dear technician, if you have any question, you are free to let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. This wait. I'll be done. Check this out. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to connect jumper wire. Check this out. Okay, this is the VBAT positive. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to connect it to my DC power supply. I want to use my DC power supply to detect the problem, the reason why the phone is not turning on. My dear technician, there are so many uses of a DC power supply. It's not only for DC power supply, but you can easily use it to detect fault of any phone. My dear technician, check this out. I connect positive and now I connect negative. The next thing is for me to show you my DC power supply. My dear technician, with the DC power supply, I will be able to easily detect the problem of the phone. Most technicians find it very difficult to detect phone problem. I mean, where the problem is coming from. Today's video, I will take my time and show you how you can be able to use your DC power supply and detect where the problem is coming from. My dear technician, let me use my multimeter and check if there is voltage on the power button side. Let me check the power button keys to be sure there is voltage. The first one is ground. The second one is the power button. Others are for volume. My dear technician, you can see there is no voltage. I take my time to check if it is from the DC power supply or the wire I use, or there is open circuit. My dear technician, please wait. I'm taking time to troubleshoot. My dear technician, I finally detect that it is open circuit. Check this out. Now you can see we have 4.2 here, but we don't have any voltage on the PCB. You can see there's no voltage. You can see there's no voltage. Now let me check the open circuit and make sure it is connected. If you have any question, you're free, you can let me know. If you have any question concerning this or anything at all, you're free, you can let me know. Check this out. Let me test now. I'm taking my time to do the test. Okay, fine. Now we have 4.2. You can see the boot key is reading 4.2. Excellent. Okay, fine. Now let me turn on the phone and see if anything will happen. Check this out. You can see I turn on the phone, nothing happens. Check this out. I turn on the phone, nothing happens. My dear technician, I know most technicians will find it difficult to detect, to know where the problem is coming from. My dear technician, this problem right now that I'm testing is actually coming from the power IC. The power IC is not starting. My dear technician, the power IC is not doing its work. I mean, it's not functioning anymore. Most technicians will start, troubleshooting, doing this, doing that. But with the help of DC power supply, it will help you to detect phone fault easily. You can see the person who opened this heat sink in this side, the problem is not from this side. Having tools really helps a lot. If you have tools, it will really help you a lot, to detect and fix phone issues. Okay? But for me, even without tools, I can still do better. But with tools, I will do more better and more better. You get my point now. So I finally detect that the problem is from the power IC. Now I need to remove this heatsink and go deeply and check. Are the technician? Let me do that now. So first thing, I put this in a PCB stand. You can see I take my time to do this because I don't want anything to happen to my customer phone. Like I used to say, I take care of my customer phone because I want my customer phone to be good, to be okay for my customer. Check this out. At the technician, I'm done. The next thing is for me to add paste. So I will add paste and then heat up and remove the heatsink. At the technician, during this process, you have to be very, very careful, okay? So that you will not spoil other components. And have in mind that the temperature needed is not all that high. I've seen some people using high temperature. If you use high temperature, you may spoil other components. So it is important you use a normal temperature. If you want to know, you can ask me in the comment section, okay? Or you can come privately through WhatsApp or contacting me, either call or any way, just for me to tell you the temperature. And have in mind that we have different rework station, okay? So if I tell you my own temperature now and you set it in your rework station, it may not give you the same heat. So that is one of the reasons why I don't share my temperature now. So if you want to really know the temperature, either you message me, then I would like to see your rework station, then I will tell you the temperature so that it will definitely match with mine, okay? So let me proceed. My technician, check this out. I take my time to do this. Anyway, it takes a lot of time, but don't rush, okay? Most technicians, they rush, okay? For me, I don't rush. I take my time to do my customer phone. So you don't have to rush so that you get the heatsink removed. If you rush and you apply so much heat, you may spoil other component. I said this before, so take your time to do not rush, okay? Check this out. I take my time to do this. Please take your time to do yours. My dear technician, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Check this out. I'll be done. You can see. I'll be done. 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 Check this out. I'll be done. 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 My dear technician, check this out. So lovely. So lovely. Take your time to do this. Check this out. So lovely. Please don't rush. So lovely. I love this. I'll be done. 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 My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Wow, I'm done. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, this area, this section is a problem of the phone. So it is important for you to know how to troubleshoot and understand how IC works so that you'll be able to fix issues. Okay? Check this out. My dear technician, if you check here, you will see we have power IC. Check this out. I'm cleaning the power IC now. That is where the problem of this phone is. My dear technician, so the next thing is for me to get the power IC removed. The power IC is not working. Check this out. So I will get the power IC removed. After I remove the power IC, I will check for the number and place order for the IC. Since I don't have the IC now, I don't have it now. So that is the only reason that will make the phone to stay with me for a while. And once the IC gets to me, I will change it and the phone will work like magic. Check this out. If you can see, this is my work. I remove the heatsink perfectly. You can see no damage on the panel. You can see no damage. But if I show you the other side, check this out. Check this out. You will see that using tools is good. If you have money, please try and get at least blower. It is good, okay? So check my own and check what the previous technician did. You can see what really happens here. Guys, by the technician, the next thing is for me to get the power IC removed. So let me remove the power IC and wait till the IC arrive and I will change it and you guys will see live proof that the phone will turn on. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this, you can let me know. And guys, let me show you after I got the IC removed. And guys, check this out. Check this out. So let me clean it. Check this out. Let me clean it. If you have any question, my dear technician, you're free. Let me know if you have any question. Check this out. Let me know if you have any question. My dear technician, take your time to do this, please. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. My dear technician, so please wait till I drop a new video, okay? The new video of this will be out when the IC arrive and I change it.